Mr. Ademola? Mr. Ademola?
Yeah.
Sorry, eh? Bring a life notice.
Good for him, they have burnt him. Good for him. Good for him. Nonsense. It's good for him. He has come like that. Good for him. Good for him. You come to disrupt the election here. Good for him. Look at how much did they pay you? How much? How much did they pay you? How much did they pay you? Good for him.
No election in Agbo. No election in Agbo. When I make it die, the judge. One police not there yet. Police not there yet.